In modern partnerships, silence after a disagreement can mislead partners into doubt, but proper pauses can rebuild safety. Researchers note that acknowledging emotion before solving the issue reduces defensiveness, turning conflict into collaborative problem solving. One practical method is a 5-minute check-in where each person labels feelings, then states needs without blaming the other. Couples who practice this routine report clearer boundaries, fewer escalations, and a shared sense of forward momentum. The key is consistency, a small daily ritual that quietly strengthens trust, attachment, and resilience over time.